I'm Katie. I'm the owner of Luli and Me, and I just wanted to show you a couple ways to style some of our crowns with the festivals coming up. First, I'm going to show you one of the halo crowns paired with a mini crown, which has the benefit of, two crowns in one. So if it's a multi-day festival, you only need to bring two things and you can have three different looks. So if it's a 3-day festival, you have 3 looks from just bringing 2 items to make packing and traveling. And if you're camping out there, it gives you less stuff you have to bring with you, which is a huge benefit, so you don't have to worry about as many things. So today I'm going to show you the Rainbow Quartz Halo Crown, and I'm going to pair it with Queen of the Skulls mini crown. I like the colors together, and the AB effect on the skulls with the crown is really cool. And if you notice on any of the halo crowns or any of the crowns, if the crystals wiggle, that's totally fine. They're secure. I drill, or they come drilled, and I fasten it. I typically will secure the back with glue, but not always. Sometimes it slips my mind, but they are secure. I've never lost a crystal on a crown, and I dropped mine a lot. I don't recommend dropping them, but I have dropped them and they stay on. So if it's 3 days, you can wear the halo crown by itself. If you're worried about falling or slipping, just put a bobby pin on either side, and that has helped me. I've set up and broken down at events and with the crown on, and it's never fallen off. So just a bobby pin on either side, or a clip of any kind just to secure the sides. But this is look 1. It's just the halo crown. You can do space buns, hair down, hair in a braid, whatever you want. It just is a great look no matter what. Okay, and then if you want to pair it with a mini crown, you just take your crown and it's on the hair comb. You just stick it right in the center to the side, however you want it. You'll notice it holds it so even more secure. And it makes it look like it's a double crown when it's not. So this would be a look number 2, and if you want to go for a completely different look, you just take the halo crown off and then you have a mini crown. Now I like to style mini crowns with my hair in a bun. I lost my hair tie, so I can't do that for you right now, but I think mini crowns look the best when you have your hair in a bun. That's my personal opinion. They look great with hair down too, or hair in a ponytail, hair in a braid, anything you want. I just prefer my hair in a bun with it. So that's 3 days worth of looks, and you only have to bring 2 items. You can't get much better than that. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, send me a message on here, Instagram, Etsy, anything. All right, thank you guys.